Hello everyone, welcome to the School Technology Report for this Monday, November 22nd, 2010. My name is Brad Flickinger with schooltechnology.org. All right, today I want to continue with my review of atomic learning. So let me just get right into the atomic learning website. The biggest obstacle this year, and we just instigated it this first year at my elementary school to use atomic learning, is for teachers to trust the training that's there, for them to get used to going to atomic learning rather than running off to me as the building tech guy every time they had a question. And so that's been a lot of training that I've had to work with them on, saying, you know what, let's go try atomic learning, and then let's go try it again, and then have you tried atomic learning, those type of things, just so that they get used to the idea that it's available, it's there for them to use it online, and it allows me to split myself 80 different ways so that they're really getting one-on-one training without me having to be there. So that's what I guess the biggest obstacle I've kind of come across is just getting teachers used to using it rather than calling me or sending me an email. So here's an example. So I'm walking the hall, getting to another class, doing something, and a teacher stops me really quick. A fourth grade teacher says, hey, do you know anything about Prezi? And I'm like, yeah, I know a little bit about it. And I knew that only because my son had used it maybe a couple of months earlier. So I'm like, yeah, it's an alternative to presentation software. Well, my kids want to do it and I want to kind of take a look at it. What do you got there? And I'm like, have you tried atomic learning? Go take a look on there. Now, honestly, I was like with my fingers crossed because I know Prezi, I only heard of it maybe 4 months ago. So it's kind of cutting edge, kind of brand new out there. So anyhow, they ended up sending me an email just a few minutes later saying, hey, it was on there, it was great. And so I want to kind of discover it for myself here. So I've not actually looked through the library here, but I wanted to show you how I would use it just then. So let's just try this together. So I go to this find an answer to a tech question, and honestly, I wouldn't do anything but Prezi, P-R-E-Z-I. I think that is how it's spelled. Let's just do a search for Prezi and see what happens here. All right, look at that, 36 items with using Prezi. 36 lessons are available. So look at them all the way from understanding it, getting an account, using the editor, putting in web links, inserting images, inserting video. Well, let's go take a look at a couple of these and see what it is. I just know from what I've worked with my son, it's a real different paradigm in how to think about using Prezi as a software. So let's actually start with the understanding Prezi. Take a little watch of that and see what we can see here.
Prezi is a web-based presentation tool that utilizes a mapping layout and zooming to show relationships between ideas. You can insert pictures, sound, and movie clips to augment text in your presentation. You set a path, laying out the order of the presentation. You can use frames to visually organize your ideas. Prezi is a free tool that is easy to learn and use.
Not bad. That's a great introduction to Prezi. Couldn't have done it any better myself. All right, so let me just close that. Let's take a little bit deeper into this. All right, using a remote clicker, smart zooming. Let's see here. Publishing, embedding. Let's see how to insert. See, I've got YouTube videos or video. Let's just try just video on its own. Let's see what happens there.
To insert a video from your computer, click on the Insert bubble or select I on your keyboard, and then click on the Load bubble or select L. Choose an FLV video file from your computer and click Open. Once your video has been uploaded, you can click once to activate the transformation zebra. Then you can move, resize, or rotate your video. If your video is not in FLV format, it might be easier for you to upload your video file to YouTube and link it to your Prezi from there.
Boy, I love the fact that the clips are just so short. 39 seconds long, you get the answer to your question. See, that's the greatest thing about atomic learning is you don't have to remember everything because it's all just right here, and you can easily refresh yourself in just a matter of minutes, and it's there and it's available for you to use. So there it is. That's why my teacher sent me an email saying, yep, found everything I needed to know. They went on here, they just probably like me searched for one word, Prezi, not, how do I add video, or just Prezi, and up comes 36 videos that teach them how to use Prezi. That's just amazing. So another week, another saved teacher in the world of tech ed and how to get that all done in your school and how to bring more educational technology to your teachers by using our account that we've had now with Atomic Learning since August. So here it is November. So August, November, December. August, September, October, November. So yeah, so 4 months. That's pretty good. We're getting into it. We hope to be power users, I think, by the end of the year, but let's see how we go. So thanks again for watching. And remember to follow my blog. There's a little box over there that you can enter your email address in, and that's great if you follow it, because then you'll get these updates in your email box every time I post something new. So thanks a lot for watching. My name again is Brad Flickinger with schooltechnology.org.